Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm just going to take you through a quick writing workshop. This one that we've prepared is about topic sentences. The way I'm going to be talking about how to structure a paragraph and topic sentences today is conventional for academic standard English, specifically the class that you're in now, a composition class. This is not necessarily true for all written genres. It's going to change depending on your audience and instructor, but generally what I'm going to talk about today is how you need to structure your papers, specifically your topic sentences. Topic sentences are helpful with organization and clarity, so if you feel like that's something that you really struggle with, this could perhaps solve that problem. So I want to start off with talking about just in general the structure of a paragraph. This is going to be review probably for you in a lot of ways, but I think that's also really helpful when you're trying to improve your writing. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen that the general structure of a paragraph is made up of two things. First is the topic sentence, which states the main idea of the paragraph. It's acting like a mini thesis statement for your reader. And then after that are simply sentences that support that thesis statement by either providing more examples or elaborating further or transitioning into the next paragraph or next concept. So I want to focus on the topic sentence portion of the paragraph for right now. All the topic sentence it's a limited topic plus a specific idea. You want to be making your topic sentences argumentative. They need to be making some point, okay? So in this example that I have on the screen here, the economic mindset of the baby boomer generation is a mystery to the survivors of the Great Depression. The first part of that sentence is the limited topic. It's what we're going to talk about in the paragraph. Then the second half of that sentence is a mystery to the survivors of the Great Depression is the specific idea. That's the argument you're making about the limited topic. One thing that topic sentences should not do is that they should not narrate, okay? So I have an example down here that I had written in a rough draft, and it was actually the first sentence of the paragraph, but it's not a topic sentence, so just listen to it for a second. Before Grendel's mother enters the poem, the audience hears Wealh Theow's voice for the first time in the mead hall. Do you hear how that's not making any kind of argument? It's simply a statement of fact. It's narrating what happened in the poem in that specific moment. That is actually not a topic sentence. And this is something very common for a lot of writers with topic sentences, that they think they're writing a topic sentence, but it in fact is not argumentative. If it helps, when you're writing the first sentence of every paragraph, start it off with, in this paragraph, I want to argue that, and then finish that sentence, okay? And what appears in that blank is your topic sentence. Okay, then obviously after that, delete the part that says, in this paragraph, I want to argue that, and instead just leave the part that you filled in the blank with. So just to illustrate that further, I have the original sentence from the previous slide, okay, about Grendel's mother. And then the revised topic sentence looks something like this, okay? So if I started writing my paragraph and I said, in this paragraph, I want to argue that, before introducing the monster woman into the narrator presents Queen Wealh Theow's voice as powerful, influential, and mindful of convention, establishing expectations for the role of noble women for the rest of the poem. Do you hear the difference? How that's actually making an argument that then the rest of the sentences in that paragraph would go about further explaining and supporting. So I have two possible topic sentences here at the top of the screen. So I just want you to, I'll pause for a second, but it might not be long enough, so you might want to hit pause on your screen, take a look at these, and see if you can determine which of these is an argumentative topic sentence and which is a non-topic sentence. Okay, if you chose topic sentence 2, you would be correct, because in that topic sentence, the author was making an argument about what Milton is doing with his imagery, whereas in the first topic sentence, you can see that it's simply narrating what conversations are happening right? So it's in fact topic sentence 2 is the argumentative topic sentence. So let's look at these two examples. Again, hit pause. If you chose topic sentence 1, that was correct, because this one is making an argument about Beyonce's feminism in the Super Bowl, in her Super Bowl performance, and how that was communicated. Whereas topic sentence 2 is simply a statement of fact that she used solely female musicians and dancers in her performance. So these are the two argumentative topic sentences in these examples. Then at that point, the rest of your paragraph, after you've composed your topic sentence, the rest of the sentences in that paragraph need to relate to it. And they all have to serve a purpose. So like I said before, this is review. They should elaborate. They need to be making connections. They need to be transitioning into the next paragraph or between concepts. You need to provide examples and direct quotes to support your point. So I'm going to walk through, this is the last piece of this. I'm going to walk through this paragraph, which is about topic sentences. And so watch what each sentence is doing by the highlighted portion. Okay, so this first highlighted portion is the topic sentence of the paragraph, which is acting like a thesis statement. This highlighted portion, these sentences are explanation, demonstrating how readers can compare topic sentences to thesis statements. The next highlighted portion, it's a transition to relate to previous sentences, and it expands the idea further. And then the final sentence there highlighted is wrapping up the paragraph and stating exactly how topic sentences act like tiny thesis statements. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and good luck.